Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Let me just share something with you. I wanted to make an announcement concerning my health, and I shot most of this video vertically because I was going to break it up into some short videos. Then I decided, no, let me just put all of it in one video. So before I get started, let me share with you what we harvested today. Brian and Bria are out of school. They have their fall break, so they helped me today to harvest these eggplant. They're Black Beauty, and you see a little diatomaceous earth on there when I applied that all over my garden and I washed it off so that I wouldn't kill pollinators, but a little of it still is on here, so we're gonna rinse this off real good. And then we have almost 2 dozen okra, and we're getting that every day. And then I have a lot of peppers. I have some sweet peppers and some jalapeno peppers. And then last but not least, I want to show you 4 Minnesota Midget cantaloupes that fell off the vine. These are very small. I've still got a few bigger ones left on the vine, but they're juicy and they're sweet. Now, let's get started with this video. I'm ready to harvest some groceries right out the backyard. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I think it's about 83, 84 degrees. And it's going to get a little bit hotter, but I'm going to hurry and get these groceries so I can share them. I'm going to get the okra. Come on, baby, hold this. You want to get your okra before it gets too hard. But right now, because it's October and the season is winding down, the okra will be a little shorter and it will start to get hard. So I'm going to test it. What's wrong, baby? Okay, Brian, let's go over here. If you just be still, Bria, the bees won't bother you. You getting the close up there?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you're getting this, Brian. We're getting this over here. And got a big one right here. This one right here, Brian, I'm letting it go to seed. And you see I bend it back a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
I'll let it go to seed. Come in closer, Brian. We're going to go over here and we're going to get some eggplant. You got it?
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
I need my pruners. Cut it. Can't really see what I'm doing. There we go. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful eggplant. There's 3 of them over here I want to get, Ryan.
Oh, yeah.
And there's another one right here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Might as well cook all of these at the same time. Beautiful. A lot of people don't know, but inside of here, it's like a double row of food growing up against the wall and the trellis. And then I have, of course, on the edge and then on the corner. You see that butterfly right there? On the okra flower? I'm going to go over there and get that okra because it's a little tall, right? And then I'll make my way around there to get that other big okra. Come on, Bree. And where was the other one? Right over here?
Yeah.
Where the butterfly was?
Didn't you bend that one back?
We got a lot of butterflies in here by these Mexican petunias. And that's what's pollinating my egg. Over here on the okra row, this is getting a little hard, so I'm gonna take that one. We got more okra over here. How many okra we got in that harvest basket, Bria?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can pick it up for me. Okay, here you go, Bria. And I know we got some more over here. I harvested. How many was that y'all saw me chopping up the other day?
The
red ones?
Oh, the red
Yeah,
peppers?
here's one, baby. Here you go, another one. 2. And I don't even know what these peppers are. Be honest with you guys, I think I got them mixed up with my California Wonders. This little residue right here, that is diatomaceous earth. And I need Bria to give me the water hose so I can rinse off again. I was treating it for the grasshoppers.
You got so many plants, you can't tell which one's which?
No, I put the seeds in the wrong place.
Okay.
I just put peppers and I just assumed they were all California Wonders, and they weren't. As you can see, this is a much smaller pepper. but I know it's a sweet pepper, unless it's a habanero. I'll go and check it in the house. I haven't tasted one yet. Okay, very good. Left out Beard County 16. When you see that okra curling like that, that's the end of the season, guys. So that's 17.
Mm-hmm.
Here, Bria. 18, 19, and
20.
20. And that's 21. So that's 22. Hey, guys, it's October the 15th. And on the 8th of October, I started some more leafy greens by seeds. And it's not too late for you guys to start them. Come in closer, Brian. Let me show you. All in the green stalks where I don't have society garlic or flowers growing, I put in some spinach. And you can see it's beginning to come up. See right here and right here. And then we have Siberian kale. Siberian kale is an excellent curly dwarf kale all around in here. And then I put another dwarf kale right over here. It's called Bates. It's a blue kale. And I put that into these 2 rows right here. And I have covers for my green stalks, but these plants can take a very cold temperature down to 10 or 15 if they're established. And they will be very established before we get a freeze here in Garden Zone 8A, Mesquite, Texas. Now, look over here. On the same day, I started these collards, and they're coming up beautiful. Now, I just watered these. That's why they're leaning over, and you can see that sign right there, collards. I started them also on the 8th. Okay, not even 7 days and they're up already. Let's go over here. Here is another cold hardy leafy green that you can start right now, and you can grow it all through the winter. And guys, if it gets real cold in your area, you could put a blanket over it, you could put some sheets over it if you don't have frost cloth. Okay, but they can handle all the way down to 10 or 15 What degrees. Are these collars over here? Can you get in close there, baby? You can see that date. October the 8th is when I started them. You still have time. These are my jalapeno peppers. I started them from seeds in December of 2024. They struggled during the very hot summer, but now that it's cooler in North Texas, they're beginning to take off. Brian, you want to show them how the plant is loaded? And I'm going to be harvesting some of them. I like to have some of them to go red too, because it looks really pretty when I put them in the glass jar with my vinegar and water and a little garlic for just the flavor. And I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow. And I have a lot of videos in my canning playlist if you want to check that out. And Brian is just watching me harvest. Got a lot of peppers. Oh, I think I broke that. Peppers. I mean, I got peppers on here. And I can see I got a little diatomaceous earth that I gotta get off of here.
That one right there.
Okay, if you would bring me the water hose, because I do not want to kill my pollinators and my beneficial insects like Lady. Very important announcement to make. And really, it's not really an announcement. I have shared throughout the years with you that I had polycystic kidneys. And for over 12 years, I have been battling not going on dialysis, but now the time has come and I have to take dialysis. So I'm not saying goodbye, I'm just saying that it's a very traumatic thing that your body goes through. I have to go 3 days a week, and it's a 4-hour treatment to purify and get toxins and fluid out of my blood and body, and it takes a toll on you. But I will say that I'm doing pretty good. So because of that reason, I won't be making as many videos as I have in the past, but I'm still going to keep gardening. Look at my garden, guys. It is flourishing. I mean, it is doing wonderful. And gardening is in me. I love it. I'm not going to stop gardening. Let me show you what I got going on. Brian, you want to follow me? Look at these beautiful tomatoes. I started these plants upstairs in my room last December. And now that the weather has gotten cooler, can you come around here and show them, getting close right here? You can see these. These are the Roma tomatoes your dad asked me to grow. They are doing wonderful. We're still getting a lot of okra. We're getting ready to get the second bloom of my sale plants that I got at Lowe's. These mums, two of them, and two of my granddaughters bought me these butterfly solar lights for my birthday. Real close. And look over here. Look at all these tomatoes. These were all the flowers. Now they're going to turn into tomatoes because it's not over 90 degrees now. Two plants right in here. Look at this one. This one is loaded. This is the beefsteak. This is going to be a real big tomato. Okay? Look down here. They're just popping up overnight. Now that says Roma, but it's not Roma. I mislabeled it. I probably had dialysis the day that I did it. But anyway, look at this. These are all beefsteaks. You got them in here, here. We're gonna have a good tomato harvest this year. I've got tomatoes that I started from seeds over here and over here. And the reason why I start my tomatoes a second batch for the fall and the winter is because they struggle so much during the summer. I just find that I get a bigger harvest when I start with fresh. Now I'm gonna take you over here and I'm gonna show you the tomatoes that I try to hold on to. Look right here, Brian. Look at this little puny little plant. It's gonna put on a few tomatoes because you can see that's turning into a tomato, but that's one of the tomatoes that I held on to. And then we have one right in here. These are the tiny things. So this is why my garden beds got away from me. It's probably on the days that I had dialysis and I didn't feel good and I didn't come out here and check on them. But when I had that cabbage worm infestation, but you can see everything is booming now. Because like I said, I'm getting used to the dialysis and everything is doing much better. After I harvest the rest of the cantaloupe, I'm going to prick out some of the seedlings that I showed you, the collards, the kale, and just put them in this garden bed. I hope I have motivated you in some way. For those of you that have health challenges, I also have AFib, which is a heart condition. But I just keep on keeping on because you have to keep your body moving. So if you know somebody who's going through some health challenges and you want to motivate them, please share this video with them. Like I said, I'm doing much better. I don't have that shortness of breath that I used to have to edit out of my videos. I could hardly sing like I used to because I couldn't hold the notes. But now I can. Thanks for watching, everybody. You know that I love you, and God loves you too. Bye now.